We have just concluded a meeting with the Council of Elders of the Luo community. The purpose of the meeting was and still is to consult and seek wisdom from the elders. The Luo community is a community that is respectful of elders. We always listen to our elders, and we have just met and listened to our elders. You have heard the resolution of our elders that it is their desire that this community unite and stay together. It is the desire and the resolution of that meeting that we stay together in our lovely and mighty party called the ODM party, which is led by Dr. Oburu Oginga, chaired by Gladys Wanga, among other national officials. We have also resolved, and the elders have spoken about it, that we will continue working together with other Kenyans who are in ODM and also others who are friends of ODM in the UDA party in a structured way with a view to working together towards 2027 in a structured way. In this discussion, we have also received the support and advice of elders that on the 31st of May this month, all the ODM members of this region, if it is possible, will be meeting at Kirembe grounds to show their love and support for ODM, to celebrate ODM as their party, and to resolve that we are working together, people of this region, working with other Kenyans from other regions as members of ODM, and also engaging in meaningful and productive discussions and engagement under the leadership of Dr. Oburu Odinga as we march towards 2027.